This rich and tangy lime cheesecake tastes as divine as it sounds. If you are a fan of citron desserts, you will love this cheesecake topped with a beautiful layer of lime curd. First, let's prepare the crust. Put 200 grams of digestive biscuits in a plastic bag. Use a mallet to crush them finely into crumbs, or you can use a food processor. Transfer the crumbs into a mixing bowl, adding half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and quarter teaspoon of ground ginger. Mix it well. Then adding 60 grams of melted unsalted butter. Mix well again until it's evenly moistened. Next, oil an 8-inch springform cake pan. Then pour in the crust mixture and use a spoon to press the mixture until the surface is smooth. Then bake in a preheated oven at 180 centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes and let it cool down on a rack. Next, we are gonna prepare the cheesecake filling. In a large mixing bowl, adding 600 grams of cream cheese at room temperature. Use a hand mixer to mix until creamy texture. You can also use a stand mixer. Adding 310 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Mix well again on low speed. Then adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla paste or vanilla extract. And half tablespoon of lime zest. You will need 3 or 4 limes to get to this amount. Mix to combine well. Then add 1 egg at a time to the mixture, 2 eggs in total. Mix well. Then adding 100 ml freshly squeezed lime juice. Mix well again on low speed and do not overmix. Pour the filling mixture over the crust. Give a few shakes to get rid of extra bubbles. Then bake in a preheated oven at 150 centigrade, 300 Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. Remove from the oven and let cool on a rack. Next, we are gonna make the lime curd. In a heat-proof bowl, adding 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk. Adding half tablespoon of lime zest, 80 grams of granulated sugar, and 100 ml freshly squeezed lime juice. Give it a good whisk. In a medium saucepan, bring the water to a simmer over medium-high heat. Once simmering, turn the heat down to low and place the bowl inside the pan. Then adding 90 grams of unsalted butter that are cut in cubes and 50 grams of sour cream. Continue to simmer and keep whisking until the texture thickens up. It will take about 10 minutes. Once the curd thickens up, remove from heat. Then pour it over a strainer to get rid of lime zest. When it's still warm, then pour the lime curd on top of the cheesecake. Smooth out the layer with a soft spatula. Let the cake cool down to room temperature and refrigerate the cake for at least 6 hours or better overnight before serving. The next day, run a knife around the cake. Then sprinkle some extra lime zest on top. Look how beautiful the color is, and I can't wait to taste it. This cheesecake is vivid in appearance with a wonderfully delicious, rich and tangy taste. It is easy to make and a perfect dessert for any party or late-night cozy snack. I hope you can give it a try. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!